Hey guys, today we are reviewing the SENZER CS20 computer speakers. I may earn a small commission with qualifying purchases. Let's get it hooked up and see how it sounds. I really like these SENZER speakers. You can have the speakers apart or you can put them together as a soundbar. The speakers just slide together and now we have our soundbar. The SENZER computer speaker is super easy to install. It's just plug in and play. You can also switch between USB and Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode. USB mode.
And if desired, you can also change the colors or turn the lights completely off. It has the volume control. I'm very happy with the new addition to my home office. I would definitely recommend this budget-friendly SENZER CS20 computer speaker.